In this video, I will show you how to zoom in or zoom out on iPhone. If you accidentally enable zoom mode and can't turn it off or unzoom, and the screen is too large to navigate back to settings, then watch this video till the end. To zoom in your iPhone screen, tap the screen 3 times, using 3 fingers at the same time. A zoom menu will appear. Now you can zoom in and out with this slider. To zoom out, tap the screen 3 times, using 3 fingers at the same time. A zoom menu will appear. Then select the zoom out option. Your iPhone screen will go back to normal again. To turn off the zoom feature, open your iPhone settings, or use 3 fingers to drag and move around the screen, or pinch outward or inward with 3 fingers until you find the settings menu icon. Tap on accessibility. Tap on zoom. Toggle the zoom switch off. By following these steps, you can zoom in or out or turn off the zoom feature permanently when your screen is stuck.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.